Do you ever wonder what life would be like if you could earn $5 in just 10 seconds? That much money would be life-changing, wouldn't it? Plus, once you earn that money, you can cash out instantly through PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and so many other ways. Plus, you can do this from anywhere across the globe without investing a single dime. This money-making method is super easy and quick to set up. The platform is really user-friendly, so I am 100% confident that you could be able to navigate it. I'm going to walk you through each step and have you making $5 in just 10 seconds. You don't even need to refer anyone or market anything. You can be making money in no time.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
So the platform that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called FiveSquid. And to get started, just head over to www.fivesquid.com. Yep, you heard that right. FIVESQUID. It's a unique name, I know. But hold your horses, because before actually visiting the site, you're going to want to pay attention to this video up until the very end, because I'm going to walk you through each and every step to get you started earning. So hold on. I even have a bonus tip for you that you're going to want to listen out for. So this platform is basically a place where people can buy and sell services. Most of the services will run you around $5, hence the name FiveSquid. You know, 5 quid, 5 pounds, $5, you get the gist. So if you scroll down, you should see a list of people advertising services that they offer. And no worries, because you don't need any special skills to make money on this platform. I promise. Just keep watching to find out exactly how. Anywho, I'm going to teach you a strategy to make money without spending any of your own money, and you can make $5 in a flash. A lot of people around the world do this too, so it should work out for you. Right here, you can see proof that people are actually getting paid just by using this platform. This person got their money through PayPal, but if you don't have an account, you can also choose a different way to get your money. So from the homepage, you can click right here and it'll show you all the categories of services that people are selling and what categories these fall under. To name a few, there's graphic design, music, writing, digital marketing, etc. Now, you don't need to do anything difficult to make money this way. You don't have to know how to edit videos, design graphics, groom your pet, braid your hair, nothing. No skills required whatsoever. Plus, you won't need to sell anything, so if you're bad at sales talk, no need to freak out. Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. There's a feature on here that's new and not too many people know about. If you hover your mouse right here, you're gonna see a link that says Your Message On, and you're just gonna wanna click on that. It should transport you over to this page where it talks about a pretty cool service called Your Message On. Through this cool feature, people all around the world are making $5. All it asks for is for you to write certain words on something or make some sort of customized greeting, and bada bing, bada boom, you have 5 pounds, which converts to a little bit over $5 US. You will get charged a bit of a service fee on this website, but don't worry, because they won't take a huge cut of your hard-earned cash. Now, one way that you can make money on this Your Message On feature is by offering people your message on a Blackboard with Einstein writing it. And just by offering that, you can earn $5. People would actually spend $5 on something like that. Now, you may be wondering, how am I gonna get Einstein to write a message on a Blackboard? Isn't he dead? Well, no worries, because you will not have to resurrect Einstein, I promise. So there's actually a way to generate this image through a website that I'm going to share with you today. So to get this so-called Einstein writing on board image with a message written on it, just scoot your booch on over to heatmeal.com. Just go ahead and look for Einstein and you should get an image like this. So right here in this box, you can add whatever text you want to appear in the message and then hit this button and voila. You have Einstein writing whatever message you want. Super simple. So I'll show you what it looks like. Say you have a customer that wants this written on the board, just type it in and drum roll please. The magical Blackboard has done its job. Ta-da!
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alright, let's get back to earning some cash. So as you can see, this one freelancer has a lot of positive feedback, and it shows that the service is really in demand. You can do this kind of work without even having any graphic design experience at all. All you need is heatmeal.com. Just change the text and the images to whatever your customer wants, simple as that. There are also a lot of other options of different images that you can add messages to. So if you're on a PC, you're just going to want to use a snipper and snip the image, and if you're on a phone, you can screenshot the picture and then send it over to your customer. Imagine, that only took you a few seconds and now you have $5. Plus, you have a couple of different images that you can offer to the client. So let's say I have a customer that wants this image, I can just click on it and then change the text. It was super easy. So easy that your toddler could do it. So let's say another of your clients wants Uncle Sam. You can just click on this link and do the same exact thing that you did with Einstein. This is pretty cool, isn't it? And it took you nothing but a few seconds and a few clicks. Offer your services on FiveSquid and you can earn some really good money in no time. Under this category, there are a lot of sellers making some pretty good cash, and you could be one of them. So to sign up for a 100% free account, you're just gonna wanna click right here, and you should be brought over to a page that looks like this. Just give them your email address and then hit continue. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a bonus tip. Head on over to fiverr.com and enter in the Einstein your message on category, and you should see a lot of people using a similar image like yours and selling services on here as well. You can post an ad on here and make even more money without too much hassle. So now just head over to either FiveSquid or Fiverr yourself and start selling your message on services so that you can start earning big time. I hope you learned something and you grab this really cool opportunity.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.